Hello everyone, my name is Sunil and I just got my hair transplant done from Roots Clinic. So how do I come to know about it? One of my friend has already done it successfully. So he gave me a reference and then I came here for consultation. Then doctor guided me through all the procedures, like what level of hair loss that I have and how the treatment will be, and the step-by-step guide and quotation and everything they gave me. Yesterday I just went through the surgery. It was done smoothly. All the steps were explained to me properly and the surgery was done properly, and within a day everything was done. I think I have done it for around 2.5 or 3000 grafts, and my overall experience was very good with the doctors, and the whole procedure was followed fluently. Thank you, New Roots.